Away they go. Dragon King fast to begin, followed by Datus Pride. Prince Carlo from the outside in the middle, Gondor. Reporter number 3, Reality showing Wonder Joyce. Dragon King by some 4 lines, followed by Gondor. Datus Pride racing third, Prince Carlo racing in fourth by 3/4 of a length. Reporter is racing fifth by some 2 lengths together with Wonder Joyce and Reality Show. Rounding the far turn, Dragon King by some 7 lengths, Gondor and Prince Carlo. Reality Show is making room by the rail. Datus Pride, Wonder Joyce, Reporter as they swing for home. Dragon King by some 7 lengths, Prince Carlo. Reality Show fighting it up for second, third position, and moving up is Gondor, Reporter, Danori inside Datus Pride and Wonder Joyce with the last 100 meters more to run from start to finish. Dragon King, and finally Dragon King, Prince Carlo second, third Reality Show Gondor, Reporter number 2 Datus Pride, and Wonder Joyce comes last.